I ordered this dual CD receiver from Crutchfields. It's going to be going into a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a CD receiver, stereo. It's got Bluetooth, an import, a USB port, and it is the dual DC505iBT model. From, like I said, I ordered it from Crutchfields. It's got a dash kit for a single DIN in-dash stereo. It's got the wiring harness that connects to your connector for the stock wiring harness. This connects to this, and then this wiring harness connects to the back of this. I ordered some wire connectors from them, and they also email you a instruction master sheet and a wiring diagram. And I'm not going to show the installation itself because it's too hard to hold a camera, but I'll do a review on this after I'm done installing it to show the stereo in action, show how it works. So I'll unbox this and give you a little preview of that right now too. Here's after I unboxed it. You got your stereo, you got your plate that goes after you install it, you got your keys and some installation screws. Stay tuned, I'll do a review after I install it, show you how it works.